Hey guys, it's me again. Normally I don't do these types of unboxings, but my loot crate finally came in, like months and months late. But I wanted to share it with you guys because I am a big Fallout fan. Um, and as you guys know, I mean, this is not normally the stuff I post on this channel, but yeah, just wanted to share with you guys. Maybe somebody will find it interesting. But yeah, just wanted to share with you guys. Let's see what we have here. Now, I do always hear about how it's always slim pickings in these things, but honestly, if you're not doing it for the shirt, you're doing it wrong. So, it looks like it's a shirt based off of a magazine, Astoundingly Awesome Tales, and it's issue number 4, The Mad Russian's Revenge. That's pretty cool. And it's not black like all of them, but it's a nice cool green color that I would like. Totally gonna wear that. We have a Nuka-Cola bottle opener with a little hole, and this thing is heavy. I think that's a magnet. I don't even know if it could hold it. This is solid metal and then an enamel on top, so that's heavy. What do we have here? Looks like a little pencil pouch. Sugar bombs. Breakfast treat. Anybody that knows that these have 100% of your daily recommended value of sugar. So these are awesome. Okay, and then like a little lunch bag. Vault Tech crate. Yeah, really simple. It's got this, like, so you can keep your stuff cool and warm. And a little pin. It's the one, it's your right to bear arms. So it's got the little bear arms. Pretty cool. 2 pins. Great. And it looks like one of my items is missing, but fear not. They wanted to send me these so they wouldn't take any longer, and I guess whatever shows up will show up. If you guys are interested, I can totally show you guys what shows up whenever it decides to get here late. I know right now we're living in a weird time, coronavirus. I hope everybody's staying safe, but yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Little random, little different, but I'm a big Fallout fan, so yeah. Not much, but pretty cool. Honestly, like I said, easily the coolest thing was the shirt. Let me see if I can. Yeah. That's the Mad Russian. Alright, you guys have a good one. Take care.